Yeah. But why keep this man not on the sidewalk?
Uh-oh.
This man in the
And it's
neighborhood
dark,
walking on the
dark.
road and it's dark.
Oh,
I don't understand these people. This man walking the road coming down on me and it's dark. It's not dark, but what I'm trying to say, he got sidewalk. Papa, look like.
Look, baby. Look. Oh, he playing his little racing game.
Oh, 21 and 20 here.
Okay, nice. Yes,
Oh, they
it's
don't know where they're
Christmas.
going. They must be delivering food.
It's Christmas, baby. Yeah.
Are they driving to watch the lights or are they delivering food?
Oh, well, it's car stalled ahead, too. I don't know if they know where they going, my baby.
I leave them pass and they just cruising.
I've been seeing a lot of people out tonight, like in front of their houses.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, that's so cute. She's selling hot cocoa. Look, Tuda. Look. Say Merry Christmas. I know. But babe, they're making toppings and everything. That's so cute. Look at that.
Okay, so I take two of them together. One of them is 304.
304? Okay. Look at this. Yo, this house looks like a hotel. Do y'all see it? Wow. Oh, look at the Christmas tree. So beautiful. Wow. So they didn't invite us to the Christmas party. But we right outside. Okay. We could come right on in, right? Well, I guess he wasn't invited either. Let me stop.
Oh.
Yeah, he was a guest. He just went in. Y'all, we had to make a U-turn. No, babe about to go to the hotel. Tell him Merry Christmas, babe. Yeah. Hotel. This is a hotel house. Look, daddy gonna deliver at the hotel too. Yo, do y'all see these people house? I'm gonna try to catch it when babe drives out. Look at waving. I'm gonna try to catch it when babe drives off so that y'all can see the foyer. They actually have a foyer in the center of their home. I don't know what they do for a living, but it's a blessing. Babe, it was nice.
They in there killing food.
Oh, we.
A bunch of food there is nice.
Oh, watch it.
I see. He feeding his face.
But babe, it's catered food or they cooked it?
I don't know, babe. In there, nice. The kitchen.
Oh, you saw the kitchen?
The living room.
Oh, like a magazine?
Invite me just one night.
That's what I said. Where I invited. We outside.
Yeah, just give me. I'll take a plate of food from them.
I saw the little kids too. They had kids in there.
In 350 feet, arrive at the
but babe, everybody coming to the party must be.
3033 Green TDR. Arrive at the destination on your left.
Ooh,
3033 Green TDR.
Yes, to the
other one is close. It's in the same neighborhood we still.
It's the last one?
Yeah, this is the last one now.
Wow, babe. At another hotel? Okay, because these houses are hotels, baby. What's going on?
And these people are watching the lights and they see you trying to come. They wouldn't drive now. They will still cruise.
Okay, we are in the country club in Pearland tonight. Oh, look, Chuz, look at the lights, babe. Look at the lights ahead. You watching? You can see? Yeah? You see the Christmas lights? Wow.
Keep right to make a slight left turn to enter a private road. Then arrive at the destination on your left.
Uh-oh, which one?
304.
Look, they're at the North Pole, buddy. Wow. Look at Daddy's last stop. See? Wow. See, Daddy? Daddy just finished his 3-hour shift in 2 hours exactly. Guys, the shift started at 6 o'clock. Let me let my husband know. So that was $50.25 an hour. Babe, babe, we finished 2 hours exactly. Wow.
And she said 15 minutes, so guess what? By the time we get there,
it'll be ready.
Okay, Papa.
Look at the beautiful lights, Matu. Oh no.
At the stop sign, turn right onto Bogey Way, then turn left onto Scarsdale Boulevard.
Oh,
we need to come on that neighborhood day. Well, no, I'm glad we seen the lights, but
everybody want to see the lights tonight. Ooh wee.
Look at that big thing there,
I
Papa.
see.
Papa, you see, look.
Oh.
Look at her. Look, Papa, look here.
Look at Rudolph, Tuda. And look at Santa. Wow, this neighborhood is beautiful, my babe. But babe, the whole street went in,
babe, every house decorates here. Oh, babe, but this is the only house that's not decorated.
Oh, wow. Look, y'all. Wow. That's a good.
Papa, I going there for you to see this house quick.
Oh, say thank you, Daddy. Ooh. Oh, babe. But babe, how much is the light bill?
But babe, they coming to see this house here.
But babe, where the house at? Cause all I see is lights.
Oh, look the house.
Oh my goodness. Look to the. I gotta put your window down too. Look to. Isn't that so beautiful?
What they do? Block the road?
Oh, baby, it's so bright.
Babe, how these people stop there like?
But babe, it's so bright.
But babe, how these people can just stop there like that? They don't care about...
Babe, that's what people do in America. You drive around,
but babe,
and you see the Christmas lights. Yes. It's not right. I'm just saying that's what people do. It's a tradition.
Turn left onto Bogey Way.
And I guess we made it our tradition tonight. Babe, in the Caribbean, do y'all decorate houses for Christmas?
You think people gonna spend their little money on light bill and they can't buy food?
That's
Look,
true.
Papa.
At the stop
That's
sign,
true.
turn right onto Scarsdale Boulevard.
Ooh, wow.
Papa, look.
Oh my goodness. What are we saying right now?
Why wonder who do daylight?
I know, baby. Oh, but babe, the drone.
Look at the
Oh, babe, the drone here. Oh, wow. Y'all, look at the trees. What are we saying right now? If it was a competition, baby, it's done.
Oh, I should take a picture.
Yeah, it's not bad. Y'all, we were supposed to go to the movies tonight, but we decided to have some family time and go see the lights and work with Babe. I'm so happy we got a chance to see Pearland tonight because they definitely had some great lights. And now we are about to go eat some dim dims. So, funny story, this used to be an Outback steakhouse back in the day when I lived in this area. And now it's called the Famous Crab. So we're about to go get some boiled seafood.
Babe, I think I eat here once.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Did you like it?
Yeah.
Wow.
I just remember this place. I came here once.
Wow. I guess they had the same idea that we did. They're eating out too.
Thank you for all the love and support everyone has been showing me on my YouTube channel so far. I really appreciate each and every one. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on that notification for the next video. I love you guys. Have a wonderful day. See you on the next delivery.
You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, well, I don't wanna jinx it, baby, and twist myself at the spine. Don't wanna overthink it, baby. It's just twist your body and mine. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here.